students, now we are going to see one table. Throughout of this, we are going to justify whether the following equations are the linear equations of a two variables or not. Just it is for the 1 marks for the exam. There is this kind of equations can be there for the 1 marks in the exam. What is the first equation? See throughout of this. Here 4m plus 3n which equals to 12. Here in this example, here the term m and n has one index, means this power has 1. So this is a linear equation with the two variables. Second in the equation, this equation is turned as 3x square minus 7y is equals to 13. Here the highest power of the equation, that is 2. So, or we can say highest degree of this expression is 2. So, it is not a linear equation with the two variable. Because what is our condition? That the linear equation should have only highest degree as 1. Now, let us see with the third example. What is the third example? The root 2x minus root 5y is equals to 16. Now, if there is a root, then there is no necessary to get scared. Because the root is there for the numbers. It is not for the variables. तो दिलेला कोएफिशिएंट साठी जे रूट 2 आहे तो व्हेरिएबलला तर दिलेला नाहीये, त्यामुळे आपल्याला स्केअर व्हायची किंवा घाबरण्याची कुठलीच गरज नाहीये. सो हियर ऑल्सो देयर इज इंडेक्स फॉर द बोथ ऑफ द व्हेरिएबल्स x and y is 1. So this is also an equation with the two variables. The linear equation with the two variables. Now here the fourth example. What is the examples here? 0x plus 6y minus 36 which equals to 0. Now here in this equation, the degree of x and y is 1. So it is a linear equation with a two variable. But here if suppose there is a number which is 0, which is present aside with this x, then it can be a linear, it is a linear equation with the two variables, because in the statement or in the definition, it is mentioned that any of the one variable in between of a and b can be 0. So here a is 0. So this is also an equation with the two variables. Means it is also, the answer for it is also yes. Now the fifth one, it is the same like the previous one. 0.3x plus 0y which minus 36 which equals to 0. Here also we can consider that this number or these terms can be a linear equation with the two variable. Now the sixth example. What is there in the sixth example? See, the example is like this. 4 upon x plus 5 upon y is equals to 4. Now here the x and y, they are present at the denominators, and whenever there is a denominator, as by the indices rule, whenever the coefficient is at the base, when it will take an upside, it becomes a negative power. Means this x and y will carry negative index. That is x raised to minus 1, y raised to minus 1. Therefore, this is not a linear equation with the two variables. Understood, students? Now the last example. What is there say in the last example? 4xy minus 5y minus 8 is equals to 0. Now here there are two variables, correct? There are two variables, x and y is present. But here one term is present, that is x and y. Togetherly they are taken. And by our indices rule, if the two terms are present, that is x and y, if there is a multiplication of the two variable, then the index is added in each other. So x raised to 1 plus y raised to 1, it terms together, it makes x and y together it raised to 2. So the index of this can be turned as 2. So seventh one, it is not a linear equation with the two variables. I hope students you understood these tables with the variables.